Okay, and here is problem 2 of homework 8. And let's see the question. Let n be a Poisson process with parameter lambda. And that is, here we already know from many homeworks. For the n and the number of random points arrived in t1, t2 is equal to 0. This probability is a Poisson process, so we have this. And now we define a new process, a stochastic process. Xt is equals to 1 if n is odd, and is equals to -1 if n is even. Here is the figure, and this question is already taught in the professor's handwritten notes, but they are not quite the same. From this, RT is equals to 1 if it's even, and RT is equal to -1 if K is odd. So let's do this question. The first one is to find the probability of Xc is equals to 1. Here, Xc is equals to 1 is that in the 0 to t, K is odd. Is the probability of this, and it's equal to pk equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, and etc. And here we have we can write this into this formulation. So we have e to the lambda t, and this is 1k is equal to 3, and this is 1k equals to 5, and so this is equal to e to the minus lambda t sine h lambda t, and we have the formulation of cosine h lambda plus sine h lambda is equals to e to the lambda t. Cosine h lambda t minus sine h lambda t is equals to e to the minus lambda t. So from these two formulations, we can have sine h lambda t is equals to 1 over 2 e to the lambda t minus e to the minus lambda t. So pxt equals to 1 is equals to e to the minus lambda t times 1 over 2 e to the lambda t minus e to the minus lambda t. So the result is 1 over 2 1 minus e to the minus 2 times lambda t. And the second question is to find the ext. So the ext is equals to 1 times p of xt equals to 1, and minus 1 times p of ext equals to -1. And we already know px equals to 1, but we don't know px equals to -1. So like we did above, we can get the result that this is 1 over 2 1 plus e to the minus 2 lambda t. So the result of ext is equals to this part minus and plus this part. So the result is minus e to the minus 2 lambda t. And the second question is to find RT1, T2. So for T1 greater than or equals to T2, RT1, T2 is equals to E of xt1 times xt2, and this is equals to 1 times p of xt1 t2, and equals to 1, and plus -1 times p of xt1 xt2 equals to -1. So this part is in the T1, T2 that K is odd, and this part is in the T1 to T2 case even. So the result of R T1 T2 is minus e to the 2 times lambda T1 minus T2. And for T1 less than T2, we can have this. So the result is R T1 T2 is minus e to the minus 2 lambda T1 to T2. And the last question is to approve or disapprove if xt is WSS. We know eta t is equal to minus e of e to the minus 2 lambda t, and rt is this, and this is equal to r tau if tau is equal to t1 minus t2, but eta t is not a constant, so xt is not WSS. So this is the problem 2.